Alright, hello, my name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you to expand your English, increase your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started with the video talking about this, that, these, and those. Let's have a look. So, this, that, these, and those are determiners to help you understand what you're talking about or referring to. Oh, that sleep last night was not too good. But these can be replaced with pronouns to help you be clear about what you are talking about. So let's have a look. Let's get started. So this and that. We use them with singular nouns. One thing at a time. One thing. Singular. One. This is for something close, and that is for something far. So this is a bottle. It's close. It's next to me. This is a bottle. This is a Japanese drink, of all things. Japanese drink. That, if it's far away, that, actually no. That over there is a whiteboard. That, you can't see, but that's a door. This, just here, is a window. That over there is a house. This is a wallet. And that, just here, that's a printer. This whole thing, I can touch it, is a bookcase. Yeah, cool. This is my home. This is my office. This is my office. This here, I have, is my pen. Pen. That is your house. That is your house, over there, across the road. That is your car. Is that your car there? That one? That is your hat. Ah, hat. This is my book. This is my book. Trying to think what else we got. All sorts of things really. This is my bookmark. You put it in the pages. Bookmark. Yeah. And also can be used for talk about ongoing things still happening. This car is amazing. This book is useful. This headset is really helpful. This pair of suspenders, or these pair of suspenders, are very beautiful. This story is fun. It's like Lord of the Rings. It's fun. Ah. That show was strange. That show was strange. Or this show is weird. This show is weird. That film was weird. That car was weird. Yeah. So this for here and that over there. But these and those. Ah. What are these things I have? What are these? These, like 2 plus in your hand. So these are 2 plus. And those 2 plus but over there. These here, and those over there. Yeah, it's like, what's that? Only with plural nouns. So, what are these things? What are these things? What are these things in my wallet? What are these things? What are these things over here? These here are pens. This pie is delicious. So this pie, nom nom, turns into these pies. Because there's more than one pie. This pie, 1. These pies, 2. That cat was fast. That cat was fast. That cat was fast. Those cars. That car was fast. Those cars were fast. Yeah. These shoes are beautiful. These shoes are beautiful. those people, so these shoes just here, these, and those. Those people are very useful. They're very kind. Those people, all those people are very kind. They're very helpful. They're very nice. They're very nice people. But then we can use this and that as pronouns. And pronouns are like, we have like he. Let's get it here. He, him, her, it. Still getting used to the pen. Still getting used to this. He, him, her, it. This. Well, it. This here. So it can replace singular nouns in sentence. This is my drink. This is my drink. This is my car. Here it is. Honk honk. Here it is. That is my car. Far away. Far away. Can be used to talk about something past, present, or absent in the past. So this is a great meal. It's here and now. This is eating. This is a great meal. I enjoy this meal. Yeah. Or that was a great meal. This is a nice meal. That was a nice meal. This is a good chair. Oh, this is a good chair. That chair next door, very rigid. No armrest, very rigid. That sounded weird. That sounded weird, didn't it? What was that? This is a big surprise. This is a big surprise. Wow, this is amazing. That party last night was amazing. This wallet is amazing. That wallet I got yesterday was amazing. This is amazing. That wallet was amazing. This is an interesting drink. Yeah. I can't read it. It's making me tired. It's all in Chinese or Japanese. What is it? You drink it? That was a great drink. That was nice, wasn't it? Yeah. That was a big surprise. This was a big surprise. Something in the past, present, or absent, or in the past. Something missing. Where does this bookmark go? Goes here. Aha. Yeah, goes in the book. So these and those as pronouns. This is my drink. This is my drink. Turns into these are my drinks. There's more than one drink, and these are my drinks. These are mine. Because they're close. These are here. Those drinks. But these drinks, they're here. Those are my drinks. They're plural, far away, and explaining who they belong to. They're far away, over there. That is my cat. That's my cat there. Watch it. Those are my cats. Plural and far away. Those are my cats. These. Those are my cats. Those are my cats. Plural, far away, and belong to someone. Okay. Well, in this case, those are your cats. Those are your cats. Those are your cats over there. These are my cats here. These are my cats here. My cats. Yeah. And this is my cat. No. This is me yawning. This is what I look like. That sleep last night, was not very good. But that bed over there, might need a new one. But then look, we can substitute that and those. They can be used in a noun phrase to say the ones, or the ones, the one or the ones. This hat is prettier than that one. This bottle has more water in it than this one. This bottle has more water in it than that one. You're comparing them. Yeah, this one's better, but this one is tastier than this one. This one's sweeter than this one. This one is sweeter than that one. Sweeter than that one. I disagree with those numbers. Those numbers over there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, over there, I disagree with them. No, I disagree. They're not right. I agree with these numbers here. I agree with all these numbers here. All these numbers, all this chart here, I agree with these. Not that one. Not those numbers. Big difference. Very big difference. Yeah. Okay. So we can use that and these to talk about comparing things. This is longer than this one. Maybe it's longer. But it's thinner as well. So yeah, so what do you think to these videos that I am recording? What do you think to these videos? I normally use that whiteboard over there and that tripod, but I normally wear this shirt and these, because it's plural, these suspenders. Yeah. So what do you think to this teaching style compared to that teaching style? Getting used to it. Getting used to it. However, if you want to keep learning English, expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman, then click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.